Hey guys, what's up? I just got this new bag on Amazon and I'm super excited to open it up and have a look at it with you. I travel all around the world really, but specifically go to Europe a couple times a year, and I have a black suitcase that I like a lot. Like, I never do a checked bag. I'm always just doing carry-ons. And so I wanted a new under the seat carry-on that would match the black suitcase that I have, but be really stylish. So I'm really excited to see this and check it out for the first time. I love neutral colors, and I love the way that browns and tans look with black. So I was really just struck by the color combo and thought this is going to be really nice. So we'll just kind of look at all the pieces, give you an idea of what we've got here. So this looks like kind of a leather look bottom here. You have what feels to be like a really durable, more cloth-like material, but it does feel like, if you want to listen to that, it feels like really durable, like probably holds up pretty well to spills and things like that, which hopefully I never spill anything on the bag, but it's nice to know that the material is pretty nice. You have a kind of a different material here on the straps. The shoulder straps look like they're pretty well cushioned. Like, that's pretty thick. I do have this on wide angle lens, so some of this might look smaller than it is in real life. This is perfect because it's going to go over the suitcase handle that comes up, so that I don't have to worry about it falling off my suitcase. My current backpack does not have that, and that's important to me, so I'm pretty happy about that. Got some hooks here on the side. Feels like plastic hooks there with a bit of stretch on that part. And then I guess you could take this off if you needed to wrap it around something tightly and then be able to strap that on. So I don't know how much I'll have to unhook that, but it's nice to know that that's there. And you have that really pretty kind of color, sort of like a golden color on the material down on the inside. This handle here feels strong, and I like that it's got this little clip because, like, I can clip my travel pillow to that, I suppose, but you can also use this to clip the handle shut if you want to. I might actually use that for my travel pillow, though. It's pretty cool. Let's see what this is here. We have... Oh, cool. That's their little tag. That's really cute. This is a pocket in the back. I didn't even know it had this. The zipper seems pretty nice. The zipper itself is pretty thick, which I like. And then on this side we have the same, like, this is, I guess, is like a water bottle holder or something, but it's got that same like hook that you can take off if you need to. And the straps here are, of course, adjustable. That feels pretty well made. Okay, let's take a look at the front. We've got this outermost pocket. It's got a few compartments on the inside, a couple of things for pins. So that's nice, pretty spacious. Then this here at the top has a snap button. So you have more space up here. That might be a good place to, like, keep a passport for easy access, or, you know, travel documents. Then we have this zipper pocket, and I'm assuming this would be where I put my computer, and this can hold a pretty large computer. I use a 15 point something inch, and it's gonna fit easily in that. And then we have this part, the main pouch, or maybe that's actually where I put my computer. Wow, there's just so much here. I can put my tablet in one, computer in another one, and then on the inside we have another zipper pocket here and two more pouches. So lots of space. I'm really super stoked about this. This padded compartment for a computer, plus this whole space where I can probably, maybe I'd keep my tablet in that part. Everything seems well lined and like it'd wipe clean pretty easily. like the liner seems like it's going to be easy to keep clean. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. I'll make another video of it later once I've put it like on my backpack and stuff. But right now, getting started, I think this is just the right bag for me. Hope this helps you. Have a great day.